He spearheaded a failed campaign to oust 3 Democratic state Supreme Court justices in hopes of getting a Republican attorney general in office. Now, Lieutenant Governor Ron Ramsey is speaking out after the news that Republican Herbert Slattery will be taking the AG post. Let's go right now to News Channel 5's Jason Lamb at Legislative Plaza, where Ramsey spoke. Jason.
Well, Vicki, Lieutenant Governor Ron Ramsey said he had a good idea that the Supreme Court justices were going to pick a Republican for the Attorney General post. Now, that decision is in spite of the conservative campaign headed by Ramsey during the state's primary election last month to get rid of 3 Democratic Supreme Court justices. The thought was more conservative justices on the bench would appoint a more conservative Attorney General. Well, that move to replace the justices failed, but it still led to the group selecting a Republican Attorney General yesterday in Herbert Slattery. Ramsey says he's since met with 2 of the justices who were retained, and he says he thinks the justices were able to select a Republican AG because a little time has passed between this week and their retention election.
Probably, if they'd had to make this appointment the week after the election, it might have been a little differently, but we have had 6 weeks for cooler heads to prevail and make sure that we get the right person there.
Slattery will replace outgoing AG Bob Cooper. He's a Democrat who many Republicans criticized for not joining a multi-state lawsuit over Obamacare. We're reporting from Legislative Plaza tonight, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5 HD.